Hi, Philippines!
Maraming po dapat magmuna sa Dragon Standard 1, 3, 1 upang makalunan sa inyong sakit.
Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. I'm so good.
Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa van namin. Currently kami yung leading.
Actually, Mercedes-Benz.
Oo. Saka sobrang galing lang nangyari kasi siguro kung sobra kami ng isa, baka hindi na kami kasya.
Kuya, bilisan mo. Mauwi na kami. Kami kailangan mauna.
May immunity tayo. Hindi tayo maayong hapon sa inyong atanan. Dili na. Ano?
Papunta na kami sa Malapascua Island. Nagmamadali kami.
Gamit yan.
Wait lang Sige Go!
Ay, ako may tula. Ito. Tulak niyo ang bigat. Sorry na. Bigat mo.
Hindi, sige lang.
Come on, say something.
Hello!
Which team are you?
Right now we're heading to our next destination, yung papuntang Maya Port. So right now we're looking for a bus sa terminal.
Nawawala yung bus?
Oo, na pwede namin puntahan. So we can go to the port and can go to the...
Good morning. We're here at the North Bus Terminal going to Maya Port. And from here it takes 4 to 5 hours.
What's happening?
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Uy, naku. Hi, Neil.
Hi. We're here.
Thank you. Good morning, world. Hi. I'm so sleepy. It's part of the speech. Hello, we're in... No?
Maya Port. Hindi na pwedeng host. Walang adlib.
Hello, we're in Maya Port. After 5 long hours of stressful and bumpy ride with stiff neck on, we're here. Now it's what? 1 hour. And we'll be arriving Malapascua Island, at Malapascua Island at around 10:45 after an hour. Dapat lang maganda to. Hirap bumiyahe.
Ano, ready na ba kayo? 45 minutes to go! Okay lang. And dead ma lang kayong dalawa.
Nasusuka na nga ako eh. Monamin. Ang panlaban.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Monamin.
Batang may laban.
Batang may laban.
Ayaw, wala pa ganun.
Hello, welcome to our villa.
Hi. I'm ready to sleep because I'm hungry and people are watching the NBA finals.
Iba na yung oras na ng pagkain, pero tingnan mo sila kung anong ginagawa nila.
Wemo mo! Go Lakers, go!
Ako rin. Kaya Josh, Boston tayo.
So he's been clutch plays with his jumper down the other end.
Goes for
Doon i-focus mo sa TV.
Manalo ang Miami Heat! Grabe, last ng araw. Welcome to Malapasco Island. Grabe, sand, beach. Woo! Ay muna tayo. Huli-huli. Sarap mag-breakfast kaharap ang beach. Oh. Ang breakfast namin, saging. Cornflakes. Hanap tayo ng magandang snorkeling site para at least makakita tayo ng maraming fish sa coral. Saka starfish. Nakulan na lang. Who are you today, ma'am?
I am Ariel.
Ariel, the soap?
Tanggal ang mancha.
Next Lexus, 4627 to support. Is in heat.
I'm Miko Medel and I'm a photographer. We're inviting you to join us here at Globetrotters PH. Subscribe now